Thank you, Jesus Christ, for taking control. Amen. Order for me, Mawakwaba. Surprise visit on. Me no be din komo kakra wo honum ye I mean that daily living and ye me koso ya brabo. Some people I remember now be my story be or se sofo be and o preachy when me de me phone ya de nti na esiso no come so me phone nti memfre pa cho and why year I mean program ni ade afa program no pia bon say hey bra mo mami no phone why me sorry pa me ni bia bre please don't do that. Oh mami no me sra mo fanchem oh me di bibi ti na me phone ni susu nya nia mo ho na ade no say oh I'm trying to turn it off. Remember, I'm turning it off. No, my phone, I'm afraid of me. Remember, me turn it. Thank you. Turn the phone off. Anna, or you the oil. I saw them with your budget or so. Or you not the program where no koto one thing. Or more criticizing the pie and not sorry. Obet mark I said almost half of the church there. Omunyine crucify papa no owura dem no wom se wanka ma obi ante e na okokun ne ho se na che se adwuma oye no mfaso ni so ni refi no ho se when you carry the cross aya na nyekom Yesu Kristo ba wono ani dim na so na dim anye no be se na metwe wadwene gina bibi so se de be ya o ma nipa no enyi wo mfiri de wuyem. Every day, I did also check it. You near Radintem, a hot to say. Say, oh yeah, forget about everybody, whatever they say, just forget about it and move on. So, what check you near Radintem, maybe be a correct here, and only the most important. Because people will use their mouth like this, they will strip you naked, but no, Yamin can be. A cosso ya wadium, a cosso ya jumum. It goes on in our relationship, in our neighborhood. The things that goes on. If we are saying get that. No matter what you do, and Sonny Penny. And in tea, Yana Santa Fortune be. Or say, I see no cowdy, Yan Samuel. I see no cowdy, Yan Samuel. We young corn door no befa was some said Docon. Odi beko sija so ama obi atobio nti ewi ase obedo wesro no de won no nyame do no be wise too much you wa bondin I can't remember na me your programs wo wi ase obi kan mame no to na me hito pa na me dwa programs na wo ye na me dwa pa when you come to Christianity nkase say de nipa na free manachi me boa wa ba inside. The same people, and yet outside people, they love you. Inside the church, there is some people, not everybody is Christian. I want you to get this. I saw in man in Christopher Nkwana, Satan Magobi. Or what the said they have a pen and paper, their list, they check you out, they raise your name out from the book of life. No, Nyamikran can be. They use the same Bible verse, they destroy your life. Voice to no matter what you do, forget it. They will talk about the way you talk, they will talk about the way you dress, they will talk about your relationship with you. Friends so because when we here to the level say on person be who say who sre and it is abrabo you especially this end time so one more when you free no one check you no people will destroy your life. You will think you're doing good, people will just check you out not when you're ready. Okay, people will check you out na unyanya ready and then na me sister kasa wo se mame say no my madre say enye sofu bia kra na metie no because now no the things that they were saying no was me to me hu pa say me ni urade ntamo ye me da yesu me bibia kire say me ni onyame ntamo ye nso me nsama me kan ko YouTube so me mfa me ni urade ntamo ye nso wo betumi be gina won la cha me sister asomade na hye wo ni ntu ko je ko the way what dressing inti ukwa shit. O sin su bekom sister na watch bon na bag ekuta na chances so okay na ni doku ebo no na shining gum ni glasses are shining na gold will half and half. They destroy you. They will check you out. Preach means you mom me shas my dear for ni asem. They don't care. And guess what? Mumbi be yesa kokwasa say ya. Yesu be ba na monka. Mumbi. Because ye adwuma e wo ha. Amanfo so na mochire e bon kofo aso. Se wo mo hyasomade nti they were going straight to hell. Asemi papa ko si we preach. Still nipam fine anyasem. They don't care. Okay? Me na na me ko hu bonki wu nansen. Me hwehwe ne picture na me papa me so won sha man he won sha ring nti na man for eni je no ho sa me ko hwe man so wo sha ring na papa na che say o ko je mo e won kofo bi ani so but papa ne wu ye no cruise so wo mo de papa ne e picture e ye BP na nya agro anocho wa mitimi preaching e ma otumu me mitimi tena say Emma me say yes, onyame akasa fa me mu pa. Obi beto se me hyasomade pe. O say hey, you are going to hell. No man check me out. And then me pese obi ate ase apona mente akwa o. Mente akwa da. Se mente akwa ka me dwane yache. Mente akwa o. Emfa me say just something just don't do it because we be wrong meat. Okay? Ketramana me de kasa wa ha no. Enye kwasa o. Erade dija kama no. Wo yi mamu wi anu no. Wa to enu achini o no ama me foforo. Enti me kasa. Enye komo sa. Nti ne tori bia ya na me kasa. Ya na wo se me tietia break because me bi ma no kasa. Nsenkyere ni si o. Ebia wadwenye o sama betena se bia me hye nkom me yewe. Onya me mfa office ho ma me. But me catch even me mommy no mutifie kura no they can tell the things that goes on. Me kata me ni say e twa me say video. But when me mommy sa chance no. E na me nye madwe say me beje me ho me na me sua de. E na me nye prophetess. The things that goes on nipa bia onu nyame ntam ye a wo bom pa ye bokonkron bra no nyame won fa bibia hinda. So what you say? A lot of things you see. But our mouth say talk about it and you don't do it. But some people they check you out. Obi to me, nipa bako for to me destroy you. Oh, what do you want? Yesu kan wasi se mi dua mono. Ye duwe ye mi mu dua wuye. Mi dua mono mpo. Di omo di ye mi ni na mu dua wuye. Nyakon. The same people who are out there preaching, mumfa yesu, when you come in that church, niyama wakwaba no, group bi wo ho a, they want to also to send you out back, go back again. I'm here to tell you, no matter what is going on, maybe they give you a name, me too, mama me din. Ebia ya ma udin. Ebia obeji Yesu Kristo di cry asasa udin. Don't let that destroy you. Don't let that makes you stop. And yes, I wouldn't go for BHia. I saw the man who because the inside there no, they will destroy you. I wonder. Obu o de wo be kan wasem no. Se ke bia ni nua ba no ana ne yire no ana ne wofase no wa nkofa ho to sports onisa nso obey ususo Bible no so aka Jesus was say akwa nsin ni wura ntini me bi ho a wotena se na wo gye die ye de Yesu Kristo fam ene niema wo go through asofo ni koyi ni mai asofo na nka we de waba ni die mo nso asofo ni Yesu Kristo enhyehyɛ wo tamfo mfire chiro asori dem ho no wono na tie akonwa ba koso. A believer, the person who quote the Bible like you, they will quote the same Bible and destroy your life. And you don't go to, let your focus in that church be on Christ, not on people. The people who go bow down, Christ has some drink, Sister Pachana, sorry, what about say? The same people. So when we are, we'll be first on them, won't cost on Sunday. So when we are. Don't look for your enemies out there. Bible says, "Nipe fear for me na tamfo fear if you are suffering. What tamfo ho no be free beba." They will destroy your life with their lips, with their mouth. Omubema wa stop going to church. Omubema wa kasa mebeji Yesu di ye na ye anase metene wiase na ye, but there be o tina Kristo. Na bibi papa bi ani wiase wo ba me pesa me ma hu se nipa ni bi wo ho a omo nkan ye ho omo ba beji akonya just to sit there and so omo be correct onyame mistake onyame bi aye mistake onyame na nti upo bi afre na mame no to wa de wono wo ye hwan upo bi a to sister sumasi bra sumasi de wono de won fata o won sem fata si se kanyame pa bi na soma nkofu bi a nkan kofu bi they will write you out but no nyame nkan bi obi yetimi ho appearance keke so wo ye mame wata obi o otimi kasa wo ye mame wata nyame no obo di o ne ho nyefe no sa nyame na ne bo obi enso ne ho ofe sa nyame won na yesa de we o Bible mu ye hie man bi ye ke oh Abigail yes no ho ofe pa oh we oh Rebecca yes no she's very very beautiful but so obi sa nso eba yes ai wo ye Jezebel wo ye bonsam nti ye penti ade a efe ne de ma Satan Bible na kan wo se ahofe e yahuhudie but nipa ne ho ofe wo awurade mu no sika ne jete ntimi ntɔ nipa wo ahofe no se kutenya mejene suban papa no ne ho enna wate so what you say ahofe fili suban mu kasam but people a memani ma metie beginning some people started eni kwanse oba preachi etru bia metimi preach to wona manfo di matem so ani nti na ya oba na wo preach eni monyam ka onyankopon ne me papa kwase ewa etru bia na wo preach na wa kire mu it's okay I hope say they were listening e wo ma na oba preach na sam no ba na twama ne yasamba why are you wearing ear jewelry why are you dressing like this and no so ne akeka bi sa nti so say minim say whatever I'm going through you're going through the same nti na was a me no mimi jam de no to na me be hye wunkran so what you say so one hye ya ho omo wadwuma mu abusuam ho nam fufuo no omo be ma wagye nyame akidi o sister omo be hye o say ni ya show so no from yes so wo from say saw you be right out so krani pa unkan the same people na first na unko so ya no be preach sister fa homa Kristo no omo be catch us say no ese Kristo no ese wa ko too deep wo dia na ese aye too deep do the same people but be wise because we will be a we are see the children who say ya we dre nti for Jesus Christ the children who the we are see ni be papa be at the man we have talkative some people they talk. Your full group, your young ladies group, your member big group, they were there just to tell God to say, ni pass me sini ni kwaso ba in inu. Nso be komo no kasa sa no nyame kora woni no won ka ho. So what you say? They will criticize you. They will stop you talking. Woe unto those people. What oye konamu kayo si achichiri ne bodium tenase. So on kasata de o kasa. Said you nyamesi do won to me yet. But the same people will write you out. They will write you out. Obinya ukunu no ma kwa manager. Me benya mi asese mi kunu onye obi a onye sa friendly sa. Mi kunu nye friendly sa, onye easy to talk to. As a matter of fact, mi kunu ni ma okuta bonyo face. Okuta sa serious face ni biro. Onye easy. Me easy to talk to. Onye na unto mi kura men. Ono ne lifestyle no, on slim po. But se kami kunu yo obi a otinka. Nka mi se kama wari ya kegu yache. Ena edi na wo fra na meka kire no. So what you say? People will tell your husband, say you will see dressing where at the quadro do no. Obienya wonu ne kochia utira de ma waja. Ebe ka che wu kunu say de why you hu no, why at the kwa where by your bema oni ne dam papa ko so wonya hu say why at the kwa. Why? Because he sees the qualities in you and you're only outside. It's not about makeup. That's what they do. So what you see, intimacy for me, pamuchawo. And the people who want our downfall, they were many. Ya downfall those who change it. Ya downfall, omo change it. The people are in the world will see you. But the people who are in Christianity, in the church, if you're, they are the one who are sending some people out back to the world. But so what you say? Na me try be so me frau. Who be frau me me di nkoma na ye bibi ho asem efa nyame asem e na ye ka me moafokuo me ne obi ani asem me ni me ba be sraw me ne obi ni sa good relationship no cause me who say me di agora if you they will write me out. Nti me ye very careful, me ye focus. Bomba ye se me ni me kunu ni me ma. So Jesus Christ pi na ni monyam a ye benya ba bi atena. We will have a seat up there. Na me wie so a wo enti unyame de mesi ha no matena se asua de abompaye amunyame amamasem na daniel benya menye bia ma wo na wo so tumi agina de wo hwe ase ne te a wasori. That's my praise. If you preach wa hanyene ye hu hwi ene bebo mu wo hye wan hye asomade a wo kogem wo mo di kan ahunyame agyen amunyame na me sister bu so mama na yesu ba ko yesu no we are just a wujin one tiase wujin ho one tiase. And so kumpa these people the way they were talking don't wanna omo ya beifo omo hye gu bayi so wo chase omo kumu no nye nso be hia no ne skirt ne sine na sesega akoma na sene oni domani nua oni sympathy. They were biters. Don't let them bite you. So woman bite you, run to Christ. Don't let them take you out from Christianity. And I will always encourage my viewers, put your jewelry on, wear it. It's not a sin. It won't send you to hell. Bible no Galatians 5:19. Nakin kan yiguo. Se bi wo mu ene na di ukogem. Se sa niam egu Galatians 5:19. Check it out. Se bi wo ho. Na way you assume ade egu you were doomed. It will never favor you. It will never send you. Se sa niam na onyame try no. Ebi da so to mu. Na way you assume ade atoa you were joking. You were joking. I wonder. Did you be very confused? Ye mamma no choa. He said the day tia. You go back wa we say ntine ni kwasam titi nsisa a chirefo emwaso. Don't do it. Study your Bible. Ask God. So what you see? They will have a gust to tell you, say, if you didn't take your jewelries off, you will go to hell. I will never take my jewelries off. And I'm telling you also that watching me, never take your jewelries off. Keep it, wear it. Wear them. Oh, Jesus. Hey, do you know how much it takes? If I was you, I would cry my own cry. Seriously. It's getting out of hand. And then sister, sister, chance be working so pretty. And I'm also my dear Shamono, and I'm on yo, and yes, I'm Mekojam, and I'm a memu for dear, or no Yamiakan, was here no. Hey! Nam sister was a sister. She said, dear Jen Samu. Nam said, do not listen to them. Or say, Mammy, and you only so far because you are come second by now, come winning. Nam sister, don't you are so my own. Obio, Yameno, Casanu, you know, Unyame from at the current, Unyame do bet, Untiasio, no, or crucify. Me, I don't want to Nippon can you point to me some now the best is a messano. It takes the hands Unyamia Basso, Nedimiti how Unyamia Bassa, Uyan was so catramano. Odia cancer funu was me did jato so na me yi touch me yi emuyono me yi to na me ma wa no foforo na wo kasa bawure ni pen sai nya me yan kan sama me no to wase yi wasoma de na ye machi wade me yonko ni pa odofo mpempenso ayedu no enya wadwe se wo resole dem ho a wo mo se de wo me hweye wo mo ne bi yiwa pie ni abefra wo diboyeni. When you go to church, let your focus be on Christ, not everybody else. Nkoyanko ho na sometimes you sit down I saw them you 50 me as matter of fact you 60-40 in the church. One say you suffer my neighbor more journey. One say you me say suffer crab pamo. One say you I just make for they will walk you out. So one year. One say you men fellowship they will walk you out. So one year. One say the church will destroy your marriage. I did that. Men can't just say that. When you go there, let your focus be on Christ alone. The church we do it, but in your what do you say? Now some of them they were agents of Satan. They were coming to just destroy you. You are the target for them to take you out. Just to destroy your life. Be wise. No matter what you do, they will have something to say about it. I wonder. Now, I don't want to be a church or sour monium. YouTube, they are robo. We are not trying a paragraph, we are not a roko. We be good moon so. Name yet. Timisha Simon Miss Name Miss. This is that me checking them saying no. If people do this, I have to talk to my viewers too. Maybe they were facing some challenges that I don't see it. Maybe from their job, maybe in the family, in their marriage, in their neighborhood, in their churches. So let me come there and say, you are not alone, my sister. My brother, you are not alone. See, you are not alone. They hate us so much. They were spectators. They were coming to take us out. Ono kono ka adwuma na onye na je so obeya ma Kristo. Wo ye so ono de. Ono de. Until they have groups. Ti nyawa ni so power. They don't know say whatever they were doing no so ebeya come. Ama wo mo ankasa. So please, my brother, my sister, no more you Bible can was nipping in a door with you. Nti nature se nipa ni nyina kra wo do ya yennue. E na nipa ni nyina so tawo eno so so due. Nti se bi tawo endure persecution. Persecution ekoso ebi twitwa wo muti o. Ebi no so they will feel it. Nipa de wo man will persecute them. They will want you to go back to the world. People won't take me serious. And I will never take my asomadia off. The people who, because of the people when they will take me serious. They will take me serious. They will take me serious. But they won't take me serious. And I'm not here for people to take me or leave me. I'm here to do something that will please my maker. Not human being. Because Jesus Christ kraka was who you wouldn't permit to no one to nipaso. Intimity I mean yonko, minya yonko. Who was some men down for no way. Mary in an first no I so Mary what Tim and Kakra penimra. Yes, my miss one penno wasam. Ono young girl Kasakra Bakasa maybe already 80 years. She's very wise. What to be the bear 1 year, getting to 2 years no on Timmy, because what Timmy can when your mammy, eh, nothing I won't frame it near ye. What Niku credit your one dance was a mean some more cassa. I can be one some that Niku credit your one dance. Was ya not to one dear? Mean tesa when mammy cassa. I'm a maka will be one some more that the be a mummy and one some namoka. And so cry it meeting Phoebe, no matter one Timmy. People, they were here for your downfall. They were here for your downfall. Be wise. They are not here for your good. Nipana woman kwa wo feel wo hwi yi wa wa no be guno. Me nada. Wo hwi ye obi gu wa wa re. Obema oni Yesu Kristo so ntamate. Some people, they were agents of Satan. It would be na mamia no chwa wasra, and a mamia no chwa wa yusu, metwe me yusu. First, na mentia se to mo ka se to bi kwa mtimi ko fa nku amesra, na me de abechire. E no nkoda. Afidi yesesa manyima so madea. My goodness, really? They have a guts to talk to me like this. How about implying now? And your moody mountains some more. And your moody ya bromo. Miss Lewa de Sawam, you could room. Miss Lewa de Sawon Yamena Wafrauna, what didn't Sakawakuma. I'm a who said you may be an TV say, and yet our bunny moon saying a meaning Tim was in Christo Subu. Because of the air cost this tableau, Major woman say. What is the problem? I wonder. Me intention is a me betnasia. Nipa you mame gumi ho. Nipa betu mame go you na ba kokora mfase mame kan. Me pesu obi fe no di adanse. Mame no to adanse so di minya bi. Obi timi kama me no to ma packing niam me de ko Ghana. Ma packing trousers, ma packing makeup, ma packing way. Asama me te you nyame na mo so de ba yenti. Ma sisa ni nyina me koto. Afi me to na makoma to me yes. Onyame wo ye adwuma. E kire se Ijabodi ato mekatra masono. Mi biema no kasatu mi bi wom. Eye adwuma. And it takes the people who have the ears of God that can hear me. Some people, me preacher me share boom omonte. It's because who can nkawrade tiemu ka betenene. It's because you're not part of it. But they are the ones, spectators. They watch. Everything you wear, they will grab pen and paper and check. Mami, I'm not trying to do free. If you posse, I'll say, yeah. I tell the nation so I say, posse. Boot nation say, Christo nation boot, and no say, yeah. Glasses nation on my new castle as a Christo and also check it. Or you're wrong, or shall ring and yet a bad pa and call you. The skin no cross you see the choice of you pursue. And also yet, would have one friendly baby say, and yet, or your devil, or your Satan, or your Jezebel, or be the other, or be baha, or be checking me kaka, or yabu, you know, sister, or be baha, or be pick and choose. Sandy Panidio, what will be brave? One more bot. Obi, or me pay the person is not here for my good. They were here to mark me. Obi, what Tamia, but I was so stay. I know marking me. Obi, the dear no, where you contractor. Obi, dear no. Sakamenoa, come and fair Juma. You be tria me can't yes to Christo Maya Tosumi. Come and fair Juma, me made that. Mr. Radio, sister brother, untintim was you, untintim was say. Me need the fool pony. Me nana jum pony. Me show me who you pony. Hey, who? I wonder. They check you out. So mumu be brave, why you must my day. There's a more consent, Mubebre, more consent. Muhe nipabi, I'm to be some fancosh, Mubebre, more consent, Munu, some years of my dear to go. Mubebre, Mubebre, ring some way at watching the moon. Mubebre, much when near, the dear Modern Hoku, and most sacrifice ye. Into better decision, into Mubatus will be a yane. Now, I'm not a so we'll be going to be dressed and who will be into whom be that. Last sister be catcher. Was a man not me a man down for yeah, go party, I say. Me drew us a man friend and can't mention until whom in the wolf. Obi one in the wolf. The way you look, no, so when you're in a bonny pow. When you're one day, 1 hour just so check here, what to clean and what bow, ni pass the bed and new sofa. You don't blame me because I look like this. And you mean San Juma. Yes, maybe I'm the baby who be fair. I thank God for that. And Jesus Christ, thank you for making me like this. I love you for making me like this. And you want San Juma. When I poko kwana butuntum, and you wa. When I bought ni perfita bruni, now botuntum, where you Juma on San Juma. We cannot stop you. And I thank you for making me like this. No, means stop will be in no. This is that you're out here. Don't let anybody check you out. So won't come. So what you say? It's so sad. So what you say? The obey was as to be a make sure so no na mentam and no one. Don't do something to please people. Because of say we you on some of the night chim do one umbiti you open the padu about waffle and no it's your own cup of tea. But me this you money me say no, that is not the same. And if you have a problem watching me, then don't do it because it make a maubufu and a bufu so anything near there. Did they be over be a maubufu because of some dear because of some boot. Did you see my boot? Isn't that beautiful? Isn't that nice? Yeah. Beautiful. Michelle, I want them. Okay? So if don't get heart attack because of the way somebody carry themselves. Don't do it. And it's not because of you, so hey. Obi na ka wose come here fish. Share. Hey, we are living in the last days. Don't let anybody take you out, okay? Don't let them. Because the people who talk like this can never write your names in the Lamb's Book of Life. They cannot do it. They can't. They can't. This time we'll just say, what? Ubi ne juma no spectator. Or ha, mammy no to a page, or testing the bag would do. And so, Tammy Pa, when you mean who? Or your contractor, when you minimum. Me media mental, Miss Ronya, Miss Omo, Jin Sacra. Miss Ronya, Miss Omo, Miss Ronya, Miss Omo, for say young go. Yes, I be how. Miss Ronya, this or near me be Unyan Tiasia, Unyamin Mobo. Because was so the boy fool Jennifer. Unyamin Mobo, and you what, whom a tumuno, and the more yes, sir. Because Unyamin to more, you will enjoy to see Unyamin call for. Say Yamin to more cow some pack, my mamma to any pen or the tear. But I know what, and you woe. So soon the penance of one diso. Say Yamin Jado so more. Okay, when you see good, you see it. Last Saturday was a say, no be a fresh of focus you are. I don't say, and your man who cast it who preach it here, necessary, oh, yeah. I never got the barber check it. Hey, sir, who don't flap about it? Hey, when you pass the choir by one, or pro minister or pro president is so. I'm a to fear check it. That's a woman checking. Hey, since when do you get that job? Wow. Nipples radio. What to sticker? What to one? It just said, Misha Papa no see. Maybe a papa you Jumaya could draw. Not still people are just trying so hard to find something. Do Banoko do radio. Hey, who's radio? What play for you to make a cassette you be to make us one day at the side of me as in him? No, when you mean the Padon after no, when you mean Tam Cassette, you wouldn't no, Baba, I dear won't find when you hear. Oh, Tia Bruce, criticizing the man in Ghana. The order was sorted. When you put trying to go and attack him. Hey, Yamin wouldn't pay mobile. Dangerous. Danger. If you want to do something like that, don't just go like that. I was sitting back and I was like, wow. Bray, what the fuck papa word you mother? And you be when the papa was sign contract. I want to be being into Obechaki. Hey! Unyami wuni pamobo. Ni shasuma die foi. Ye die yentamu. Samu bana ye shasuma die na ye mo yasamu betie ye dia. Eni munya ye tie wa ye pamocho. Because of muhwe ya na tete mu. Ya huye mu mobo say ye koshi because ye shasuma die. Nti sadie ne tete mu ye sremo ye pamocho. Eya munya ye hwe because muhwe ye sana mu tete sa eno so enyo. Yempese ebe ha mu too much na mu be wuntem. Because so I'm changing a man no pepro. So what you say? And said you see how no. Nti ye jai he. Ye jai he. Ye jai he. Na kawas Mr. Loveless this share me. In fact, what the kawa be shame kura na emfifrete no. So for say repeat after me. All of a sudden me kunu nyine gya ho nso ne mfifira hwase pam no say ya. Ninsa wode kawani ba nyina ne to say yes, jadam. So what you say? Etimi anho atu ne bo ha de kawe ye hye me se kunkron. Usikoyi to chene. Hey! Unchra de on. Koyi to chene nyesa. Wo koshi. Sa wo. Sa. Emo bobibri. Sister, don't allow anybody to pick up a phone and call you. Say you are somebody. You do worry so totally. Don't do it. What to go so I can kokoto fufro? And may yes a man's a woman be a Shasumadio. And may yes a man's a woman. Put it on. It's not a sin. Wear it. Put it on. Butu ne shama mo say e free poison. Who will be a shawate? A home. Put it on. For secret to shakama never butu ni shakama. Who shall one into your shasas womb inside? Ne put it on. A bow pa, and you sabe bowa. So what you say? I wonder. See, if you don't know how to do something and somebody knows how to do it, get closer to that person. Oh, mommy, I'm not sure. We don't know. Say you see, shall scared to do boot in F. Pow. Won't let me say, you see, I'm not come at you. Where's so dear? Kusi koden koda. Sister, bra. Oh, Jiddy. Tunia bani mi mitia no mtinyo fe mitia bontinyi yi be ho ko yi mi nufu nko bu matopan ko ye yi na nyame ye madum sei tu mane nyode abusia misro mo bia na da wote hwese wo ne wo nyame ntam ye konkron hwepa so wo nyame ntam ye good. And no na show unu nyame ntam make sure so wonya de ntia papa no de biara da enu nyame ntam nye solid de wo so won pene to firi ho uchiriko wa na ntintwitwa azan edwamammo ade bia wo so yi wo firi sane ma nyina mu ene ne ntam nye kronkron. That's it. When you play how we are dia kanyina your back case. Anya sa wudi nipa no we achia. One hwe you be from Tomago. And Tomago na be fra. Omo pesa ka to anu why someone to say the wanya yie no. Why someone to be a wanya yie. Young lady na out to so be a 5. I want 20 years. I who they want you to look like that. They said me lukusa na homa bank no bi ntimi mu. Na Galatians 5:19 e bi da so abani bi da so wu obi mu. Na me koya na me bai. Na me ko me so mo te san so e bi nim hwene mu bon wo mo. E bi nim hwene mu bon wo mo. Unu yana shasuma di ntune na yaka ntu ko heaven who go home. Unu yana shasuma di ntune na yaka ntu me busta question who go heaven. Mobo bebre onyame hu ye nyina mobo mpempe so ye do no one here people will take your focus out from Christ because the party there do they say what say wash there. He say be hwede me ye bia me say what say e brede be kwa ye better than nipa bibi e mu ni we yo some people the way omo no omo de wan hwi yi me say wo be nwinwi etie urade for kosiwa ko click na yi bi about jewelries no one teach you no one preaching chira ebia me dey say me dey me kobole suli me wa me dey say me dey mu fa me boge me dey mu nkotie me papa ebia me dey me kan be ka se me yo ba bi hihye me nti na me pese me defend there we dey be papa me am se so for kosiwa no wa chire mu onjo ye bem nti kokotie ne hwe saso ye kan se ye boa ni mu bebre mo to buji wasego me boa so unzo wanu unzo abo ma ya obredi fu o ma tricks sisi amponi na ebe ya kakra ye di tumi be hwe statue bu so won kasa nipa ho e di bi hu be bia de obeyo won hwe yu be tomurem we sisi yi yetimi ma wa obi etumi alacha ama wasesa wo dan no me nya hwe so ring ni dan no eni boy em say by from Kobani bia say we want bia because say precious one no sister can't chino oh boy asumade ni che na shaw no say you go di bi pa sister can't chino em say the spirit hu ni bia can't do so we ring ni a diamond ni bi pa ye di sin finfin no body di sister can't chino. You kidding? Me someone to go am from me. And you go ram from me. And you go to the Bible so the two go me so from me why? Me fa ho popo me sesa. Yes anso na ko Ghana me so me bama o pillar of Zion do ase ama wo he. Ano cho ba na wo he fa. Aha. Me ko tuma ayiagu. O ma me de o ye Satan beje. Ama de begu ama me. Matter of fact, ama je pe me se ama we de fa she. Ama so de ko be hye papa osini ni ko be hye ma be bo nsem e mo bo bibiri ei ni efrebi and was my dear sister, do you know the jewelries, you know, the ornaments that, you know, it's not good, okay? Yes. Yeah, you have to take all that stuff off, you know. The appeal is not good, you know. You have to take it off. Ti papa menene kasa de bia na jubia me sorry na jua paye menene kasa na jubia papa ntuma kasa no to me do pa ade we dey don't do it. Emobo last me kindness of work can be oso yi the ring hohoro na no refi no jato oda ho anaju wada o enem ena honkonkon be nya ne so honko ne ringi honko fanhye oso sori free ne paso anaju bro e ko fa ne ringi sahye nti papa ko se we o kojimo bonki oko no hye o hye ringi one of the preaching okuta yim say na ringi mitwa ne picture kora bonki ko hye me boa mu ko heavy bonki ko hell because no hye ringi Billy Graham no mu ko jem. I wonder. Hey, these churches that they call it, and I mention somebody mention say, the same churches, they hide themselves listening to pastors or Moshe Ringi, our preaching. They see the preaching is powerful. To whom ben this out pastor near Juma, mo hide ya muti woman. Whom ben the pastor near Juma would be different. I waka to say you are some idea and no ring to go. I said any punishment and ring. Now I will preach a mo hide it. Me say, me wura wo mo mensha somade fo ne mensha ring fo mu. I see the things that goes on. Me sua de enso. I see the things that they do. Nti ema omu gina no mo ye nsha na omu hwe me sere. I see it all. Obi chim ni duku ni sei de fo ha. Enye duku ne fo ho. Mi bi de de fo ho hwinhyem. Eye wig ne hyem sa no. Eye mesh. No wabo a hyem sa na wa kyekere. Na ne yi nti ne Monday say o adwuma mu no. Ne mesh no egu ne to ha. nso onye chim ne kunu no shashma de npe Christ asumdie nka wo ye kristoni e no bi no mudi dada boys yi o wo ye kristoni ni nyina nso won shashma de ne seketi si fom ti o ye clean o ye kristoni obe ware ni seti ya you are in danger. You are in danger. Mr. Who? Hey, then who are you fooling then? Oh, say no more, no. No more for the muchaya and poisson. Someone Casamu be clean. Sir? Maybe I'll bet she good enough. Maybe I'll wig good enough. Maybe I would just say, ah, pay will no. Wow. Nti yena mufuli yana. A lot of guests ibi omugugu kuweti. Oguo ose oye ayi o jasumade okoduru Ghana na wig gu de toa. The mesh setiti ni. Guests ibebre. Afa wonye dru pe wo so delete the self through Facebook. So akosesa. Enti ebinom omugu honu e arabofo no lo na ewo kuro di mu no na arabo ho na ekochutie ho na ekobo meshe e wo so ntumi konkoshe e de say ade tietie mfa nanti wo tie wo so wata ade sti fom bebre e ho no mo nam so mo sakra guess bebre. Am I lying? I'm not lying. I have a proof. Bebre we share no so camera sin so oboa Arabo ho Kuwait ho no ni Egypt ho emra na wo ho nti na sister na yesa mane nuru Ghana chena e ho na be wu se wonye Kristo ni sa 99% omon sakrai show off azan opekunu unya mi be yi mo to enche wo utumu so woti baby me way America ha no maniema oh ko nchele kura bebre osi wo preach pa so no de ade ahye ne some family planning sister who are da be ya family planning sha won sam wo who are da be when na won ne da wo protect sa won nyam me busa okoshe o mo shishe sumasio nipa da se ni wadi biara we ye no onyame ehu enti dwe hu yansa ebe ye na asesa ntem deja nyatwa mo bebre omo se me bo mo nka bebre mo amu hu bi freka mo hihya visa ye se mo frɛ ne visa e hihya mo nsa ho me busa mo musai na aware a wo hye visa mo de visa ko minim se visa ye de hye nsa ho awachim nduku a usi social media se wo preach na yekunu na wo pe bebre woduru Ghana no free system my tea for mo de monka guess yi bebre no Google Facebook no mo preach guess yi Kuwait for guess yi bebre they say musa na aka me busa e musai bebre o ye nyan ye tena si preach ye no mo so massacre all of a sudden me just man ye for be bob say panyan o mo say ni mama no to akra last lady be confess say me ka kire Mr. Radimon Kabaya no me mpo bi a platform so agina o sa mo pese me ni ma so ma de ansa na mo ne me aye program sa me nya madwi sa me no obi be ye program o me nya madwi o onya me kan chem sa me no obi anko ye program o me nko na me te ne na me nko so na me te a me nko so na odi jakama no me nim bebi a wo hye ene de wo ye nti me mfa obi me frafra me nti wo be ha me nchinko for platform so me te me de so da me tumi aba na maba me ntumi amakoda me no obi ani ye ko ye program me no obi ani sa de no me no obi ani sa de no me nchini me nkoje me ho ne me na program, they were uncountable. And you want to make you must want any part of me poor my phone. No. Any part of me poor my phone. Tinya want to me you must dear, and I'm not to if you take the jewelries off, we will take you serious. You take me serious or what not? I'm still Mammy Anotua. Take me serious or not, I am still Mammy Anotua and I'm not going to change. So what do you say? I'm not going to change. I wonder. Mammy Anotua in a summer dear. Keep it to me crying in your programs. As my giving you the name in it, me ring you mean in Tunchely. Mr. Lovelace could be Jamaica. Hi! No, about my I'm not ring away. Only the ring on member the own say about one crowd too. Or no way, Bema. Ntimu person me yi masoma de ene me ring and say money my program. I mean you when me and can't say me no be my program. Me ti koy hu na me bo me £1 £1. Me wie badwuma wa ha ba bi o pese odi mi wura na odi mi be wura me no obi ani asem. And as when you make a trace, or be say, oh, you was some people pay. It just sent me, yeah, I will do it. But me because of say, you are so Diana, then people will take you serious, then they will listen. You don't listen. Don't listen. And I'm you. Hey, me the bread kwa kudu. Si nipa mi no tie me na me no nyame ntam ya nkakra because obi ane dodo aye de man no. And the more you go no so for be the count say the more anointing you get the more you what enemies does so till the more you go no the more we face challenges. Nti kakra bi nyame de kakra odi ama me no me prepare me ho. Aha no mo ye ni obi nko challenge you nyame adwuma mu ye nko challenge you because wo dia gro so no obi nko challenge wan hwie di wo nyame nka say ye no do ti be kwa kugurem ama bedane su dia beto so nti be ye careful, me ye very careful. So what you see because me dia gra amamfo bi be mama ye chembe de wan hwie wo tena baba beto me ye prophetess mama no chewa afi na me hye nkoma ha sister no yeah sister na wo hye green no yes yeah sister na wo hye green na wo boduku aha wo and then mama no chewa me hye nkoma na me preach sister me hu se afi wo be ko Ghana wo aha me hu se mo busue fie Ura hon na ya bo apesi e apem eni kontom na bomu ye de nwo aguso e ma mi enu bi te ho sister wudru fie hon na wudu nsato aduan ma na mu so watwa uba be wuo enti me catch your sister me ti di sa adwoa fo wa me ti kuro di sa em na di mu o mampon thank you Holy Spirit mampon enti adwoa bi a wo ha wo be ko mampon na nsan aya no aduane sister no sakutu wo be di o sabi na mpese me ya me nya madwino me di mo bebre echi so me san nya me ho na me nya madwen because baby on me kono me ye ni friend me nya huni ti se mama na mfa me ensia konkon me hu mani mu a me twa wrong meat. So what you say ti me nya madwen o se me to atese wo baby a amanfo ma me no to adwuma no emra wo ho adwuma no ye dangerous. So when you make say ya, you will be in trouble. Be slow, pa. I'm very careful because me complete the baby. Wapra when you make say me peja sadia na, I will be in big trouble. I will be in danger. To be very careful. Mami no cho we say ya, can you publish your pa and you come about bananka it be 1,000 people at the time no more show mempe 1,000 people no so nyame family si wo ma no me preach che wo wie wo mo e no mo ko e die de besie no nyame pa no be busa wo me be careful. And at the same time I'm very wise. What I say me nya kra bia me mabra me nya kra bia me ma nko me nya kra me manti menyakra bianka ho me manti menyakra nti mi suro me ho e wo sa adwuma so wan hwe yi a bebi nipa e be ma wo ti be wura no mama no try you see you can do this nka wo you say ya ka be ko wani mpa if you do this way ya ka be ko wani mpa if you take your jewelry off and do this and that and you could be able to do achieve me I'm now ready for that ti de bia me bu se Erade dia na menye afa me free hair concern na opesa me ye erade wa ma me time dia na opesa me ye time o dia ma me no where do you want me to go where do you want me to move nti me ye careful because of me tete preko fa hin chesha me no nya me benya asem nti me ye very wise nyini padodo na me pa ma ba mafa say you wiase na me wona me ye nyema we die ne campaign kan ye nkanya sam ketwa nese bloggers yi ko monya hwe anasa kama ye ni anu de no wo hefa na ofi sister pam we pa me nyame emamu e na bloggers yi me sister na wo be ba cross ka Facebook wo unlimited aka be ba na nkaso aye ma kanya so nwura kiye be bojuma ne pa nye kono can you say be no emergency platform ya you would you ni tiri ko shey na Facebook live we buy na nyame asaranda ni pa o kenya komo sister Jai people talk they talk when you see you be mo ye di wuntu wan shi ombe mo waye di unyame nka bie ombe yo yudum saa wo pija wo dudu anu maja vim saa no mote nyame nuanum Ghana for saa no mote omu hu ade fofra bam ne do ato fam nti wo hu omo no anyi ule mu a ombe pija wo se ya ne saa do ato fam se pu so what you say nti me very wise na me sua de enso cause me sua de na me ko na nyi se bibi nti na me wo mo bibi nti no mba obi oba se obi pekunu obi oba se nipa dodo obi di na chi no obi nya bibi obi ba se obi pe fame me de ne ntesa me ma ware awie nya afi na me be po obi sika age me pacha what you say nya no na me hia ena mama misika mo metua ntutu so dudu menye nti na metia se nti na metia nka mefum nipa ma afi no madane e de say prophetess by force but nye no mu pie nti na metia me die ne se asem bia menya nya me de be ma me wo ba mu bibie ma no ka obi be fa no wotie no sakra na dwe obi kura utumi enyame na mesom ema no nso won ka kura nhye nyame ni munyam me ni nyina ye me back case onyame wonim o record ade na ode credit ne be ma me ntie no de minhwemo ba me ni obi echi nka se we you asoma de to ho now dressing this kind of way we will do programs with you and we will take you serious we won't take me serious onyame we take me serious Timo betna Facebook and YouTube wana mo choro we English never think before you write. Be very wise. So when English never na wa ho ya sorry sa wo twa. Yeah, think twice. Because you when you mean yimi pi ha ka nim me. Tinepa o show misra. Na misra unya meso so mo nimra wo so because it's dangerous. It's dangerous to do that. Mo timisra chewa the pa show stop. Amadankwa Jayo. My sister Jai ya prekon Jayo na shisha wanje nkwa na okra be me we are living in a dangerous time o amamfo ya wa na amamfo ni abro ye ni bi bra no will be sissy when we could register. No, check it. My name was skirt, yes, a wedley skirt. The top, yes, a wedley top. The ducky, shady boo. Nti glasses na shana sana so Kristo ni. Nti ga na sha ring e gura de sister ya hwese. Nti butu na shana sana e Kristo fo sister ya hwese. Nti ga na wo so o sha somade so ka Jesus. Enti mu sister na sha necklace. Oh, ahwese. E Kristo fo nyesa. E mu mema. Bema bestia basi brand mi o ira nti kampe. Tika betu uni amba na kanyamia ye na dom menko yi me ho ankyere wiase na nka wokora wa hye me nkura utimi tena se ma open e ma wadwuma ma atwero sawo nyame hu mo wate nyame hu enya wa o die o ti mu no e ya no na keka no ho ana wo ye nnwuma bisa enya wa o misre wrade so o mande wo ho. Because Jesus Christ shouts out there. Your views and your thinking, it will be different. Nyawa. Misre rade so we share with Damascus. Wow. Because why won't you be no? I just say yes to them. And yes, you can now. You can save yourself. You might say it, but deep down, no, you Misro me paucho. Misre mi nuanom guess no. And I guess na moko jeje visa asha mo nsam munko yiyi. Na nyanyam so mpa no no. Ote. Unware, when na wo protect yourself no. When na one ne da. Quit. Na secret chat na mo ye na mo twempa na secret no mo nyai. Asofofo na mo no mo chat secret mo nyai. Utuwe wa budo. Braya oni di ye program wa dono keke. We are we single ladies. The way they were serious wrong. The be a person bra we program. Bra we me na program. Bra we me in Sri Lanka radio it says so for original name Amos. Misi koma yo musu so. Komo bia o maso ye. Me pese me new program. Me pese ay kasama bo. But the kids, they were very disciplined. Come on, you won't be a woman for one night. When you come, you coupon. So much to what papa say. Be brave, Budo, on a brand, what am I brand and want to get back on who you see? My brand didn't call you get back on now, or you program, no on your back on the wedding, ain't that the other? I grant you, Christ. Who won't you be see? We went to know what team. It run a Johanna and the chatting. WhatsApp, one hour in the chat, I'll send this and the pictures of command. In the daytime, no be when some more to send you be woo fee. And you are smart, dear God, Mambo Duku, the abeto or Moma Sohano. To say Sadia Otto Fuller. Ababet team. If you are not joa, now we'll start chatting. Would you want to take a look at your WhatsApp? She messages a go on one no more chatting. Nti, are you a Christian? Be wise. Munye muntini yebe ye ho sakatulo. Emparman abna. Unti ma ye sakatule na mteo. Sana ate ahụ. Na Mr. Lovelace awo metiko na misi abonten. Mami ano chwa na say thing. You say dia say on dia na wa. He, mi kuru onye sofo. Onye sofo. Meti a misire mguo, mi busa. Oyami ma to buati. Oyami ba yesa ya me kan esa misire. Me kan esa sister. Na amafo to o masumo. Obi kwantimi nyakokodro no afro obi o. Ah, sister, me preaching part. That's what you want to say. That she want to be strong. Roll, why? Sister, Pacho, me who say what tears of work say one mammy not to her. Me sister, uncle for no moon come crunch up or the woman the moon cojem. Et Miss Raum Jawutias, my dear Nyakura. Sister, Nyame from Papa was saying, don't you know? As a matter of fact, what you say, who's a muddy account? say more de. Tis out here is a way seen more. A commander I said a say cold talent. Come on, been cleansing. What you may find? Serious, you will be very sweet. So what you say? Srebe me be an so we are zanchira so nya mie nani. Nya mie nani. In Charles Madi group. We are mama to boate. Ye de mo yi to chene. Yes, you buy him go be on. We are mama to bo. Miss Rewra de mama. I'm saying this as it is because the way you guys talk. Because I just said we won't say anything, and then all of a sudden they come, they write. Medical catch them as my dear member. Into a to me or YouTube. Now me shama soma dear. Don't say anything because upa so paragraph. Mean maxuma dear tonjle. I just want to be clear. I won't take my jewelries off. Yet Tiana woman be by say we are kwaba. Mammy the ban was assassin so that kind of boy. That video, you guys did not share that video. Mubu money go so they want to the mammy kind. But mammy the buy ya no what cancer. Mumu baby must send him up. Make one me tea me bullshit. I quite remember na me wo beach. Me me go walk e wo beach. Na me earphone shishamasum. Mami kasa ya mami pe baby to me who jumi say hey. Na die ni. Tia wana me buy na me fa box. Na me sisa man suma die ni me nyama ni na me di gum na me di si ho. Because me to me go to move right away. Me person me confirmation. Me shisha me Bible ima. Ti one day me say ti woman na no say I me see me fie me dru ho na fie no me see wie no nya me see me fie ni na say ah. Na mami so see me fie. Onyankopon asem so kan Job 14. Wase mama kuma ntutu munyi onyankopon ni me so munyi mutie baby e ma me kwhye yo em se da no onyame na de me kɔ hɔ e no se ah wase Job 14 say mama kuma ntutu munyi onyankopon ni me so munyi na tena bia pi wo magya fie ntine de ye ni ekosi manhye na na esase mo onyame kan no nti onyame Yesu Kristo wontumi si dan ma ye wo heaven did you say ye ni kucha blocks. Nessa semi to chamaso. If one of us papa could see what the teacher people say, hey, them. And then say me crown me friend, say papa. I said no, ntisa. I said no message free. Just say nya komo. I said kuwait for any guess here. First no mami no to mami no to will I said no munyina you. In Charles Madia group. And the assembly, na papa se mame. I knew what someone se papa box no Christia mintu mui. Nam sasa sama dear boko. I was so lucky I did it because I may could throw and Mr. Lovelace diamond ring you or the share me touching ya kasamaba. But I put in the box just to because it's that come no nipa I feel no massacre me I mean I'm trying to get good into that come no muti bibia. You just want to slow down. Now, when you made my doom, I did not throw those things away. Papa, no, it's not like that. It's like this. Now, I feel Papa teaching just yes, no, so me okay, okay, wow. Then where did these people come from all of a sudden? Will be from Mammy, what they say. I feel the people that call you, send you audios. Mammy, because of you I change. Because of you my essay. Because of you my essay. I feel now the same people not better than so for. I catch a Mammy, why you are wrong. Who you demon? Who you Jezebel? Who flip what? Sir. Tiwana said no. These people they were not serious. It told my friend, Papa, this is what said, Mammy, I'm not sure. All these people, they were lying. Forget about it. Mr. Papa, almost me free was was not to forget about these people. Me ya kokonti last me kwa ni bisa papa nti obi se obi mu aye fair color anaso se yesum de mu omo fa no ho fe no nti onyame wontumi nyusu se o se mama no to just forget it. Na fi teaching ni sha se ye ba na man for sa sha se busa papa ene yesi ring ni nye ene yesi nkofo bi de ho having sickness o mu su di be bo mu just afedi na ye deja. We become their enemies. But guess what? The credit is for us. Umpo. Say na nyame claim na me yesoma wo sakra ya sister brother. The credit na wa ye no. Wo de opako yi wo so ma de gu ne follow me mpaye ne say you will make it to heaven. When you get there, the credit is for us. The new ones nobody are because ye dia. I'm telling you. Tu say papa no minimum kasama ba. Afi uma no bi so aba. Afi o mo check wa mo say papa ye word was aside ho no. No mo sa ba e. Na oba mprichi no papa sa di be bom no say. Ben man sum prichi. Di o prichi ye ho nkonkron. Nti sa nkonkron timi betena wo bi mu a. Otimi tena oba mu dia ene oba timi prichi otimi tena ba mu nne no so still kora me mfa me hotototo woman na bebom we oba shut up don't preach hey nso nyame na me so eye nsenkyere ne adansi bi o me mfa ma ha ena nipa ne bebre they don't talk because some of them are my two face. As one shas my dear, so shas my dear. Why you two facing to say, Beha no say, or Becca said, through my not to us teaching no change here because now no, or so a common one shas my dear. Into some of them, but I'm telling you, so the credit is going for my miano to her. So what I say, you come. You can insult us all you want. Me, my prayers is, oh, shas my dear, I have nothing against you. Mimpai bono say you make it to heaven. Mimpai bono said no matter what it takes, make it to heaven. That is my prayers. The obeti bia ema wumfra dumnum onyame mwa to make it to heaven. That is my prayers for you. But don't stop me preaching. Mamia Nochoa doesn't qualify to preach. Why? Because of she jewelries. Mobo, meti for be pamuchao, and nada bremuni away. And nada bremuni away. Said you unyanko pasran and muscle momentum as the Satan so a stranko for a more sofo. Ombe dada. Omo de nada bemo wini etie rade. Ube fisa ka u de uye ne ye, nso bi catch us as madi ehye untu koshe. Be very wise. We are living in a dangerous time. They are not there for your good. They were there for your downfall. Get that. They are not there for your good. Nti yanko nipa bako. Yakwa asori omo say mo boduku nti mo hohi. No mo de apem ye pan. Yesa ba ha we no mo so se mo sha asomade mo so mo nkan no mo so de apem ye nti yesa ye dam finfin we pie ye kwa na we so pie kwa na we so pie kwa na we so pie kwa but guess what, our maker, he's still alive. Onyame da so kra yimu nti ye himuda and at the moka it won't shake us. Sometimes so when you're the way they talk, they will win you. I'm telling you, the talk that they were bringing, no, so when you no cry, they will win you like this. The way they do it, you know. So one year, it's easy for them to win you. And so about catch and say, oh, you know, my baby be a sama me okay. Sa oba se hon konkon tumu de be ma no kon be fa so de aba no, you can't deny it. Oni be ba so no wato Ntina was say, Unyamentamia Kronkonoma utumi. So when you see bad, when you see evil, you can identify. Even see you decorative in bois, and yes, that you will fall into it. Sanity. Ubetima boy ready when your mumbo, no bemebia, our own free will ready, or baby, our own free will ready. So when you me home, I met no. And show the difference between Uber new solid or the baby you can't deny it. I'm telling you, you can't deny just a womb to me in our national. So what you say? Until you need the power more than his. So when you to me a child, no, Diana, oh boy. They don't have the strength of Christ. Nti ye kasachira omo kakra bi o na yi wo. Bi yin sisia. Opini ni kuna ko, lady bi wan fra me. Ana me no choa, me from makacho. You and the show na de anya kura ring no he bi say me ni bi kuna ko. Ai, me ni bi kuna ko pa, me yi ring na to ache makacha say, "O nware me a onyae." Into a frame, bending for him, nam sister la, a ring and me shed because a bonnet. And Tino, unminiano, and a mafrono, ring and a show, and say, a star. Will we so quonko, or somebody to be papa, and say, hey, she break, sister. Me feel something quoting to them. What do me papa baba flower? Baba, Baba. It means that we are Christo Mukrasini, sir. Seriously. Christo Mukrasini no did this of Beniata. Don't do that. Don't say that. I'm not ready to do that. If you are from me, and I become her enemy. Where Christo Sumbapano. Hey, papa. You frame me or full so dead me. Say you no correct. Nin tuntune. No, sister, be wise so. They call me, they dare me. Tis me ni somebody be nye Christo ni mama. Mu ni so na ye mo sa. Onyame so sese. Onyame sese. Onyame hu mo bo wate. Ohu mo bo. On fa obo ni nchew. Onyame hu mo bo. Sire ready so mo bo. And because of that, you know, to me papa ko see, don't insult the man. Now who did not tell me who you know me a good also. We are uns ready on. Uns ready on. General of God. Now who did the papa we at the man who better akoso Christus. Who you won't check rabbi fluencer. Make come each other. There's a person who prove me wrong. Sir. Miss ready so mumbo. Timothy for your mum quan and go for them more. And I'm not trying away demo. And what she sent some idea. And then she put the ornaments or whatever appeal. And then your brofui so much. Ubeshiano sakatule pa sakatule. Sorry. This one. Christopher be a mama. programs right. Mumwani mreo. Wala, let's on mudi rough. Let's on wash as my dear or yes, or yes. What did the bounce on that to better? And for who near I slow and young people your crown quad your wardrobe. Let's now do rough. Oh, Betsy. I was Miss Row, and more be a me you fradum nasio. Ubi cramming a menu, ubi in you know. Ote. Almost almost my dear Montana. Yeah, dear, we go where almost tina minute and tina minute. Until we go where, or we go to one mass and me walk over. And then you go by. And hey, and when you miss us, my dear. And you ma bonny a coso assassin when you mean who be uncantroka jewels. No, go by. No, me go by, no, when you miss it, no, me go by. And into mammy, Mr. Mammy, dear, you try. Natures and true dosso. Timia man foot me to take it to the nature of a bruchab. Sorry, lacha. Send you mammy, see Casano. Send you me a moa. Now not to send Catty. You was at the say, and smoke kind of boy, and not your one to me and share. Now, not to a minimum shake, could I dear mammy kind of cry a foot to mammy who said, ah, Nessa, own your correct. And me work kwaba na me wuko bae enu onyame se obi wo ho ne platform so de biara da obi a wo kwaba de bia we so wuko bae we so wo kopoase we so wuko bae enu onyame se enu wo sigi wese ne nya boni kase so koso wasase so de bia wo kwaba nti am focus na me wuko bae na onyame se obi me se ne platform so ewu akwaba na me wu akwaba me se abranti bi ne platform so wo frɛ me man nko because the biara da obi ewu akwaba me mo no obi ewu akwaba obi kɔ timi kwa ka so wo kɔ gye nkwan ma na fi onyame nsɛm wotimi san atiasefo ba nan penimfo duunu nan no etimi abɔ wure gye na nyame timu no etimi akɔgye nkwan ma ahwemu Achakia gift ya bankwa esa me check no esa udini mami anotoa me dru ho no no ya mesi udini me check nkwa manum na me check dina udini wo mfutuma ne nso abubu maba wo wotumi afura kwa tuma hinwanim akɔgye edesai nkwa ma obi si nyuti obi si nyu wabodje se obi si nyesei me see be kakra do mo de baba first thing you see bet worse is coming tinyanya me na ye yadomo a onyame nam ye papa wieso a wakɔ nanimu a ka by the time we know things no na omo destroy me come chiro so ni monyam ka onyankopon I no be onyankopon bo se yen hyasomade anko wa ma obi asom eni onyankopon obo bema ni yintwa ne dua eyede no mo afedi mo twa dua senka se the same the way you come no keep it that way but you check you twa obi dua nka de no fo boto na ntena se sasomade nso eni ho a onyame kwa fa so sisi Israel ho na nye komo onde wo ye yakra de bi kra hye ne hinu onyame o erieza woko ware yire abre ede say Isaac ni papa se sankapo okoye okoto no esuo no ho a wo ye se onyame nkyere no ode sei na ye san wo wiye no ode nkapo me man ba no no wo siesie no ho kama prodigal son ekoya wo ba ni papa hye mpaboa wiye no de petia hye ne nsa nsi enko yintoto you can fool us so omo mo betima fool omo na mo fulu omo for us obuada Mami no to baby amani wire kodru no you lie bad. Oh boda. Uni baby am yam hyehyeme. Baby am yam hyehyeme wo mani nyame ntem. Me checking na niam bi nkoyi ho na ya na makoma bom kikinkinkin. Ba me checking na bibia da na kwamu a anato wankwa ha me see you papa mate. Don't do this you papa mate. Don't go there Mr. Papa mate. Do sa premier na jo so de bompa ma menye masada. Be obedient when you me a boom no sorry. Be wise. Be wise. Me say will be worry no bet now no yen na me go and get married and come back. Who worry we are no baba be you nyam juma. E ho de be hu nipa away. Go and get married when you come back. You stand at the corner of Jira. Unyang worry, and you don't brag too much. Go get married and come back. Near Radi. Coco Waribra. So to me pass it through. Our real solid said in your mepenoa. Then you come back. To me pass it through Kushia won't fit. Then you come back and speak whatever you want to us. But so when you worry, ye Jine Chiransa. I mean, Nipa be brawari and you were free. No more shipa. You were free. You're not married yet. None you will be also all guide our room. Now, me show pounds so dear our corner over call. Cause when you are so be tear ready. Cause you never claim you. Nti ya kirasa ba o miss wan hwiye obefum nti ko neko ne sa homework and baby say tanjire tete wo no koko break it through ne bra na ni emekasa sisi ya wo ye sing lead go to sleep ko break it through ho de bra ko senya komo e ho na satan di yi nipa ne bi film ko na solid you nyame chidima ono koshku ne bibia ne dana kom then you come out very powerful. Go and do that, then you come back. But sabri ya unya wari ye de bra tena se try ya who ya last you you di baby age no what's sorry nyame nyina mo me ne kakra bi se nam de bayo unam nkomo se ya nam no bedi koso amanfo wa no edidi konkonsa last sister bi frame isi wa no ofreme adaya nikun na downfall aba be catch nikun se de ne yiri no ho ne de em se so jai ei no wasa ahia sister no Facebook no achro ma me se de wo ye hu de ne wo kunu be jawo ne de na wo ye hu ei bra Bible said you never so sinti you be ban wo nwie unsura de on be ma no worry sister na hu se sister no de no wo ye wo na wo draw attention unya na yire serious pa amafo wo ye na say oh sister asori for ne de sa wo se da bi ma me no to wo ye so fo ai da yesu be pie wo wiem anwanwa sem be sisi me the way they want the way o person o ye na o capture me to their side na me be ka o ho na me bullshit me papa kosi ewa eno na wo munyae na wo munya nso they want me one more mama no toa ono na first o you chief crusader eno ne papa kosi ewa now no you see ono kra be dia dance esa asomade nye sa no mu pami o that's the trap they set that's it me say samenya ye oh me yato ene masomade inhyebiam ebusiafo sa asomade na nye o me sremo metiefo ha mu yi to twene enye edie be kodjem enye ya so fili bi kan kore ti mama no to me yi me die na go ho nza asomade enhye me obeti sister no afe na afe wo ma hya se efre na mama no to Now what to say? You ever see a new year program? Na manya no twa me so betima kasma de no wasam kakra kire ha. E de na nyame yi kire wo. Because if you kaisa first no, na ye ka bibia na ye bom pa ye hu se nyame tie mpa bo. Nti de bia ye kan ye te se so wo papa. E na wo papa si se. E na se ni ye de nyame ase pa. So nyame bi, that's what they were waiting for. But you will never get it. Never. Me come chro me nye me jewels ubo be bi umbe shitu me de me aduru me so nye nipa dodo na me pa o maba mafa no way nye no inform you say enko YouTube sama bere wo muko enko set one vanko me a me balo no so bia on vanko me so you were high. It is say Facebook were higher. It's nice. Someone pam. A high Mecca. My own go. Gift your bank on friend. Mammy, I'm not trying. I mean, are they? Miss Sister Gifty. And then you go. Quick sound. I. When you catch me say no. I go ye. Must I do in the media said chantro. And I say, Papa, because oh, Debbie, one kind of crunch. Could you go up in the jar? No more from me, Mamma, not so why, our sister is back. Oh, we thank God. Oh, yay. We thank God. If it's this way you want me back, I'm not coming. Memo. Muntu pun white. I remember. If it's in this way, sister, muntu pun white. I'm not coming. Mother won't find me serious. I me at the same £1. I am a need your pa. And no one feel my friend. Sister, Mamma Chwana. You won't say, why have you Mamma Chwana? I'll be me kind. Won't say, feed you open. Here, ready me that say. Some of me not to what's here say. Oh, you then yourself, you no more friendly hat, no more friendly hat, no more friendly hat. Mamma, can you tell us what you saw in your dream that about the jewelry? Nigeria for your friend, and Mugana for Mamma, can you please tell us about the jewelry? What God shows you? They said the jewelry is not good, and Nigeria for your goon. I mean, you're Mugana for the dumb nature say. Now, when you bounce to know you saw against you will be a go. I'm not ready for you. Okay? When you're to what?